This is what I mean. See that guy just down there? Pilot? He's just told me to pull right over on the side of the road. He goes, a couple of headers coming down the road, mate. So this is what I mean. You watch how big the size of these things are. Big combine headers. He's probably got 4 tyres across the front. He'll be huge. He'll be huge if he's told me to here it comes. That's huge. Big combine. Big John Deere combine. Mad. So yeah, this is it. This is what I mean. See, 4 tyres. Is that enough road for him? Look at that. Chick driving that bad. That's cool. Awesome. See that? And here comes the other pilot vehicle. Awesome.